Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Allow in the pop-up. Following that, select Alarm section at the bottom left corner and click on this plus icon at the top right one. Now set up an hour. When you finished, click on days of the week that you wish to set up and tap on alarm name. Over here you can name your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and then scroll down. Now you can click on the switches next to alarm sound and snooze to switch them off or on, and click on alarm sound. You can adjust the volume of it right away thanks to this slider at the bottom. Use your Spotify music by tapping on Spotify. Logging in to your account, of course you need to have Spotify app installed, and using music from it, or click on ringtone and hit allow. Now you can manage those options by clicking on the switches next to them. Click on this plus icon at the top right corner and select any song from your device to set it up. Click on the switcher next to play selected highlights to switch off or on this option. And finally, hit done. If you don't want to do any of that, just click on one of those sounds, like Pluto. Wherever you decided, when you finished, go back and click on snooze. Here you can decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back. Lastly, tap on save at the bottom right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. And to turn it back on, select the same, now grey one. After that, to edit your alarm, click on it, make all of your changes, and tap on save again. In order to delete it completely, you need to hold it instead. And click on delete at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!